Hey guys, I'm going to do a quick video on the first chapter of the Highway Code, which I have now memorised. I'm quite pleased with myself. I'm also taking my test and learning the Highway Code along with you. I'm probably slightly ahead of you if you're looking at this first video. So, if I sound a bit silly or I'm being condescending, please leave me a message. And please subscribe to my channel, it'd be really helpful. I'm just going to start now. I'm using the AA Highway Code. It was purchased for me by my parents. I'm not being paid to advertise it in any way. And I do not get any money for advertising it. Basically, when you take your theory test, which is the first thing you will have to do before you can take your driving test. So the theory test is when you sit down and you take a test on the computer. You'll have a touchscreen computer and it'll be multiple choice questions. You'll have 50 multiple choice questions and you have 57 minutes to answer them. It costs you around £50 to enter your exam. So if I were you, I would really advise you to revise it. Because if you don't, you're throwing money down the drain. And there's no point doing that. You want to pass your test as quickly as possible so you can become more independent, especially if you're my age. At 17, you want to be more independent. You want to be taking your friends out and going, yeah, look at me, I can drive, woo. Basically, 57 minutes to answer 50 questions. The questions are multiple choice and you usually have 4 to 6 answers. Before you look at the answers of a question, read the question. See how many answers you need to give, because sometimes you'll need to select more than one, and think of the answers in your head. If you think of them in your head first, and then they're both there on the screen, you know you're probably right. If say you need 2 answers, and you think of 2, one of them's there and one of them's not. You can click the one that you think is correct, but then you have to look at the others and decide which other one you need to pick. It's a good theory, because it makes you think and you're not just guessing. That way you know that you really deserve the outcome of the exam. You also have a hazard perception test, which basically you get 14 shots on a computer of you sat in a driving seat and you have to point out the hazards of the scene in front of you. It lasts about 20 minutes long and it's included in your theory. There's nothing to worry about because you can practice them on the internet. There's practice tests and everything. So there's nothing to worry about there. And that's it really. I'm only doing the first chapter today. The next chapter I will be doing, if I have a look, will be what to expect in a practical test. I'll probably do that tomorrow. It's Sunday tomorrow, so I'll probably do it then. Please subscribe to my channel. And leave me any questions you want on Formspring. I'm on Formspring now, Coca-Cola Queen 93. You can also leave me a message on my channel, which is Coca-Cola Queen 93. Or you can leave me a message on Zoe Becky Nath TV, which is my group channel. I don't mind, I have no problem with who you want to contact, how you want to contact me. But I don't want joke messages. I've had a few of those and it's really disrespectful, especially when someone's doing a video like this to help other people. So if you're just watching it and you think, ha ha ha, that's funny, I'm going to leave a stupid message, it's not funny, it's quite hurtful. So anyone who's actually interested in learning about the Highway Code, make sure you check out my channel daily, and they should be coming up quick and fast, you know. So that's it from me. Subscribe, rate, comment, all that cool stuff, you know what you can do. So I'll speak to you again soon. Bye guys!